Now we are learning that Federation of Resident Doctors Association, which is the FRODA, has given a call for nationwide medical strike today itself. Health services are now going to be impacted across the nation, but the emergency services won't be hit. Only elective services are going to take a severe hit. We have CNN News 18's Shireen Elizabeth joining us on the broadcast over this news development as well. Shireen, a very good morning to you. Earlier also we touched upon how the health services are going to be majorly impacted because of this nationwide strike announced by the doctors. Please walk us through the details that you have picked up.
Well, what the associations, multiple associations right now, today it's FODA, which is the Resident Doctor Association that is going to go for strike starting today. Tomorrow it is going to be FIMA, which is the Federation of Indian Medical Association, that is going to go on strike from tomorrow. And the demand is, of course, that there needs to be justice when it comes to the young doctor who have lost her life, was brutally raped. Apart from that, they've also been asking for Protection Act against the doctors. Now, today in Delhi specifically, when we talk about, there are going to be 10 government hospitals where the resident doctors are going to go on strike. Now, in their statement, they have specifically mentioned that the elective services, of course, will be shut down. But when it comes to the emergency services, that will go on because the in-house doctors and the consultant doctors will be working, but the resident doctors are going to go on strike. This is not just in the national capital, but around the other states as well. When we talk about Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Nimhans and Bangalore, all of these resident doctors in these hospitals in these states have in fact called for a strike starting today. All of them have been demanding that there needs to be proper act and strict rule and law that needs to be implemented so that such incidents. Apart from that, speedy justice when it comes to the family of the victim needs to be given, and the compensation also needs to be given to the family victim is the demand with which the resident doctors are going to go on strike starting today.
Right, Shireen. Thanks for putting all of that into perspective for our viewers. We have some more breaking news also now coming in straight from Kolkata. Well, Trinamool Congress's Kunal Ghosh has posted on his social media profile X, and I'm going to quote a few of the lines from that post here. He has written that police is working hard. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has also given direction for the strict action in this case. Abhishek Banerjee too is very tough on this. One audio clip is doing round on which an investigation is required at the moment. So that's the big breaking news now coming in at the top of this hour, coming in from Trinamool Congress's Kunal Ghosh, who has now taken the matter to his social media profile X. He has written, and I'm going to quote him again here, that police is working hard. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has also given all the possible directions for a strict action. Abhishek Banerjee too is tough. One audio clip which is doing round on which investigation is needed. Remember, the CCTV footage shows that there is an evidence of earplugs being used by the accused Sanjay Roy, who is currently under the judicial custody as well by the cops. But at the same time, this earplug is going to be a very big and a key evidence in this entire case. Police is still doing their research in order to find that particular earplug, because when he entered the building, according to the CCTV footage and that big analysis that the cops did, over 15 laptops and 15 cameras around that particular area, they have found out that the man, the accused Sanjay Roy, was wearing it while he entered the building, but when he walked out of the building, he was not wearing that earplug. So that is also a very big key evidence in this particular case. And apart from that, now Kunal Ghosh has also touched upon this audio clip which is doing rounds on social media, and he has said that a proper investigation over this audio clip should also happen. We have got a couple of reactions coming in straight from the ground. Let's take a look at all of those.
ममता बनर्जी जी का सरकार बेलगाम है। वहाँ आए दिन महिलाओं को दौड़ा के पीटा जाता है, आम जनमानस में दहशत का माहौल बनाया जाता है, गुंडा राज वहाँ चल रहा है।
पहले ही मैं बता चुका हूँ, ये बहुत शर्मनाक घटना हुई है, इसकी इंक्वायरी ठीक से होनी चाहिए। हम सीबीआई डिमांड कर रहे हैं।
कोई निर्वस्त्र होके सुसाइड करता है? हाँ, आप लोग जो बोलेंगे हम लोग वही समझेंगे क्या? ममता बनर्जी,
the political parties responsible, the judicial system responsible. Just because of the judicial system, just because of the media, and just because of how we look down upon things, these incidents are happening time and again. if we have to put an end to this, we need to bring a bill. If we need to set an example and make sure this kind of incidents and unfortunate tragedies are not repeated in the future, we have to lead by example and make sure we are able to bring in an ordinance or a bill where if any circumstantial evidence is found against you, then you will be either taken to the gallows or should be encountered in 7 days.